If you want to install iOS launcher on Motorola Moto G56, then in that case, first of all, we need to go to the Play Store because we need to download a launcher. So over here, we're gonna tap on the search. Now in this search field, we're gonna write iOS launcher. There we go. And of course, we have some different options that we can choose. In this case, I'm gonna use this app over here, Launcher iOS 26, as an example. Feel free to try anything else. I'm not specifically recommending this one. I'm just gonna use this one as an example. So let's install it, and I'm gonna show you how to set this one up. So once you download it and install it, we're gonna press open. There we go. In this case, we are asked to share the device's location, but I'm not gonna allow this actually. Let's grant the permission to everything else though. And we have some customization options that we can go through. If you want to, you can also make this launcher as the default one. So I'm actually gonna do that. I'm gonna tap over here, make default launcher. Of course, we have an ad in the meantime, but we should be able to close it pretty soon after that. Press OK over here. We're gonna be redirected to the choice of the default home app, the default launcher, of course. So we're gonna switch to launcher iOS. Over here, press OK. And we should be able to close this. And there we go. We have the iOS launcher on our phone. As you can see, we have the app library. If you go to the app library, in this case, in this app, for the first time, then you have this message then that we need to go to iOS launcher settings, choose app library in order to config. So we're going to be redirected over here. And we need to tap on app library once. Press consent over here. And there we go. So here we can customize our app library in case we need to. And then we should be able to have access to our app library. There we go. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.